Changing the battery, I come to start the car and I get this open and close driver's window. So I'm gonna attempt to reset this. So I believe with the key in the ignition, just put the window down and hold for a few seconds. And then bring it back up, hold for a few seconds. All right, the vehicle doesn't have to be running. Okay, now it's switched from the driver's to the passenger side. So I think you can just hold up. Yeah, that went away. You don't have to roll it down, you can hold up, but I mean, you may have to roll it down. I don't know. This worked out, it worked. Back to normal. So that's how you reset, just either close them and hold for a few seconds and bring them back up and hold for a few seconds, or just hold them up for a few seconds. Cool, let's reset. So for the window reset, it went down a little and it went back up once the door closed.